December 5th till it's a channel na kuchalo mhlalo pekasi Torrent 6875 and then namhlanje andivai alien divai notate hayi ke tata uzintroduce ngokwakho mntasekhaya
Ndingu-Alutha Futhwana. Abantu baninzi banazi as umntana wasefostile. Yeah.
Mntana kamfundisi. So yeah man Alutha man yeah nakuni. Last week I think unzikile sashoot episode nePurasa apha mna noKuevo noTasmosh. Ndifuna just before singene kuyo besitsala siqale sibuyele pha because uAlutha ikhona nyeways babe sejile musesa sisile ba uAlutha ikhona ifeedback ewabuyela kuma Paula episode dayiva ba okay now man iwe yive lepaniso iva kuye. So last week namaputera so shoot episode I think about ways relationships, the cheating yonke lonto nalondo just to clarify way la besithetha besingathuba like inyani ibisi perspectives that ibisi views yethu umuntu ngamnye apha bene view yakhe ba okay uyibona kanje relationship wajonga kanje amamedi yonke way via so not babinyali yaLutha ayinyani si views yethu. So mna ndifuna like wena uchaze leya yakho ubuni la feedback ubunika wena ngokwakho like bazivela ngokwabo ba la ndlela thina besithetha ngayo sisuka from P like intoni siba masithi ngalawe.
Okay.
Yini
Then reply masibe postile ba okay ndonondoni
masiphume kule kona
banale mentality ba ndonondoni amacheri fine. Okay, so benjelana lo guy. Hi. And lo guy he passed relationship like ebebiswe kakhulu so it true. So of which was a into loyal was a fine. Then I was like your and then as bad was a great relationship yet and there's expectations about no I get solid is and king ukuphele evisa ngakabhlungu because unaccuse of cheating on him. Exactly, everything achitane and amachitane man so suka ngobulesiko lethu. Yeah. If icheri yachitela and yazi ezethela njani if icheri yachitela mina ngaqala ngokuthi it's your fault.
Njani?
It is your fault because as saw as icheri ichite ungenzanga nto ikhona lento yenzileyo.
Hayi uthini namlokuthi
ayise amathirazi ndithilela apha ayikho isheri enochita umchite ngenzanga.
Alutha zikhona ichep as loyal nyanya
no
bekhoba nedimu
yemaqala ndifuna uqala before uyicacisele piece nina as amamedi intoni nidinga kuthi like intoni ni require kuthi man ukuze relationship ispane because nendisho ngayo ndifuna ibe perfect mos and this is the best
perfect how masiqale apha
kaloku abanye bathi bana
yeah because ndiba lost kule ndaba perfect how zintoni i-requirements bayite
nendibuza wena
size ntoni
bra bayakhala baninzi bathi bana mhlawumbe umuntu 1 2 3 4 5 kanye 1 2 3 uphelile game yabo so zininzi wena izikhalelayo so hence benifuna yazi mina intoni thina yazijenze funeka siyilungise ku like intoni nifunayo ukuthi ukuze like relationship ibe grand ukuze ningacheat
una aside from because zayilungisa later love and affection and inyanju and funa uhila inhliziyo
loyalty
obvious
so
basically
so ufuna uthando affection afuna uhila inhliziyo so ke ngozikhona ichep umzekelo zikhona ichep ezifikayo mhlawumbe yaqala udate lo zange wathini but still yabo nini bechitela amajita babanye Lutha
ikhona into ayenzileyo
no wena mhlawumbe umzekelo
umntoma prof igel asoze ichite nje ngamajita abantu abachitayo because ndingathi icheating yenzelwe nina because mamela ne ikhona into yomjita uThate bendibonile uthi umjita when he cheats it's just for pleasure like yakwazi yachita emthando njenga abantu bachatile ne indoda masiyachita kodwa ichatile but still quite asaziyeke umfazi wayo for the side chick because he's only doing it for pleasure And once we cheat with feeling. Like I saw the cheat and Jake and I'm feeling like you feel once me cheat I can't be so blue. Yeah, we call it and yeah feel of how long to that cheating and I saw them judge the album blue. Call it the way now shut down or either lack the attention or some need the attention and if you cheat you should look at yourself. Yeah,
niyazivela but sine question nikandizazi manzi yangu libaleka but ndiyakuva lutha ndiyakuva so bras if uchitele utsho alutha so if uchitele zazi so imete yakho phofu ikona la saying le ethiwa ba imete yakho itreat ngala ndlela le ubumtreat ngobusa mfuna nithi ngobusa mfuna unokwenzana noni na ubufuna uyenza for yena so la ndlela umtreat ngayo pha eqaleni so uthi all the way faneka kube nje angachange nix
yeah man enjoy this game but I don't like it here
wena uye wephindo
game to win umile kwaba bangazazi abafriend
so stable kona ugaya umfumaneleyo yonto eViagra
singasho for now great yonkinto cause last year was been since great from last year then go live
but still was like I'm joking so kozwe sisingenayo wena zanga cheat
let me think
Tetinya zanga cheat
let me think
apart from like guy but it's ngaye ba ebecinga umshitela yena musimbeka aside
okay
uqhubekeka ke
okay I have cheated but the reasons because of the guy
ifuna izo reasons hence when ndikubuza ba awukananziki uke wachita nande ifuna izo reasons seziphi izo reasons bezikwenza uma ucheat
basically I think the cheated is in 8 months to try attention being he was different but me tell her to reply and as I'm so too tambona because phone like as I'm in ngalandlela sezamingayo and stuff because clingy a guy being clingy to me is very important you know so bekhona ke ngokulo ebendifuna yabo and like he was showing attention yonke lonto even ku Facebook yeah take a big post but you see so I wouldn't settle for less shit
wachita ke
I don't but then I'm here kukai
wayaklo ke so before qala ngibethe nonyeni before ngibekeke lo ubuye kuye uThemos uye wamiyeka lo wayaklo usenaye nangoku yibona we ipoint yami yapha lamjita lo ayapha lamjita lo 8 months lo bujola naye lelo nsithi bana kho reason yo cheat that is no way
bengekho happy
Buno communicate namjita ba pranks
I need to communicate I wasn't happy and I shouldn't tell you how to treat me like yeah that was bad
communication because span we yethu ngo 50-50 mnala kanti so sangoma nizuthi fumani bo mhlambi ngokurongo wake go right yeah izixesha musa nithi mayiqale grand imeti ndiyifuna musnansi ayitsimpu andi approacher qonde ngandlela zonke ndizozihamba ekusemani de nimfumane by the time kuzibaya mos zizoba grand mos siphiliswe yethu ndisettlishe ndi grand so ngoku andisenayo la feeling uba man mandiye extra man kumuntu wami lo so niniwe nibethayile ba ngoku yandibona ngoku ndi down ukansekho ngalandlela bendiyo ngoba isaqala
and why are you down ndoni konke
umuntu wa bra ngoku sophina very ndiyibe yeah mhlawumbe from time to time umane ndikubonisa uba ekuse ndiyathanda
that's why ungazibule imako umke wathi benibane imposi izinto but you are in love and stuff konke into
niweza nini qaleza ndifuna uba sure
I think last year December bujola wena man
na
ewe
sanda
bujola no
wait unganiki clue ndibe sure noba yabona it goes back
even that one because bengena yibo
no kaloku ibuyela yonke le way ibuyela kula way besithetha pha last week nePuras bandimoshe relationships ezininzi ngenxa yale mindset ndinayo ukaze wouldn't say basiyabesola yo no brother I think manajola 3 nathi ubaba la ngibe sure abantu najola nabo netime ngokundijolile by 3 yena kwenzeka man yayi weyithi yavaya yaya yo wake cousin ngifuna ichaza yazi but ngasike ndiyibeke ngendlela engazuba straight ngayo for what unqhelile big time lo bensithi bana ayikho ireason ngoba ndichite naye wenze the same ndibe ndisigive ya lutha akho reason ndibe masichi akho need sininika yona bani ninachitana amajide yakwazi uninika yonke uthando but still
so wena uthi ne akho reason ye cheating
no le abanye bantu uzuthi nonke abanye bakhona bacheat ngereason evakalayo
but don't cheat ya cheat and why you cheat because now you are cheat I know that akho cheat when more than once
b
say what it
kwayiphi relationship
it doesn't have to be a relationship
nazanga cheat yima khona kumule grand
what was cheat
kumule grand
akho cheat ngazanga cheat
kumule grand
oh wow
wangu cheat naka
ayikho loyo
zingabi relationship
ayikho loyo
la kuzozifakile senisuka alutha but nabi long distance relationship so
but you cheated
it be long distance
uvumile ba long distance
okay
there's no reason for you to cheat now you cheat akho reason for cheating
but yeah ndakuva ke ngoba nina neyo overdose man
into yo cheat ningabona nje nini ningabona njani say
lokuthi uthini wena umamele from side uthi kweliphi side wena ngicela hoya give you
besides masithe nje into
yes in general uthini lokuthi
ngibuyela back to the conversation
yes cheating
is a really cheating uthela lutha like cheating ngadenzelwe amachita
uji
ayibona of which ndoba like yenzela amachita esibabi chill khona ukuthi khwevu ba amachita ngawo athina chita kakhulu yabo then imethi yona yahlala ibelo yakho once imethi chite ka1 kenyiwo
exactly and nivuza la leyo wathi imethi akuchitele wena uzohamba but thina sekwenza inyamezelo
but
akekho bad
nina nyenzelekanga nijole manje isichitele nina ni grand ninyamezele because ubuyela nyani la convela speak wayesithi ukhwebo oma oleta kudala wayenyamezela bra
exactly and you
ahlala amlindi umuntu ngutata
yakhe it's the 21st century
nani niyayenza 50-50 yonke into yi-50-50
yeah but naso zinyenza mna wathi ngitela I go
iyavaya nje
yeah and yes lanto ka cheat back because a lady has the value and once man cheat be busy value yakho iyehla
and ke ngoku siyasidikwa and ukhwevu uthi ke ngokena but ke yo we cheating chunga seniyeke mo especially nina because yaba ungikhumbuza noma usebenza ukujola ndakena cheatelo bra umuntu ngasajoli ngoku ndakena cheatelo bra I think relationship yase naqala ujola uyibambeka ye stable evuvu yonke uyamnebethe evuvu and ukhazi naye nizomention ngegama uyayaziwa ukhazi ubangubani because bengisiya ebesiza naye yo enda goa lutha
ma uloyal
na distance nizuyazi ba uloyal kanye ubani so lokunala mentality
so overthink naye for sure ilento ngayenzanga lokho once
so long distance sifunele ways njalo because ine ways needs uphala umuntu ulapha wena umazi ubhizi into libhad umgowa umuqala yo ajo uthatha icup and uyazazi yo and then uthi sesikela nje light John kazi nix ngomjolo nisafika pha but ke ndagqitha na grandpa then you afterwards ke ngibuyele kula uyibithetha wena after ukhazi ngiqobojola naye lwasevuvu nanenhliziyo ebuhlungu so each and every mate ebendibana nayo bensiya kuyo ngala mentality ba ayiqali ngode bendiyiyo ngondinayo ngokusuka from way back so bonke bebephela besafarisha andala way hamba ukhazi usekhona kumene sesukunenza so napa emotion relationship needs because of la way nangoku ke sekolo hambo to sekolo hambo akabikho soloko ndi overthink soloko ndi special ba because they're and then ndifundile sendinazi ngoku mate
ile mistake yakho nina niyasifanisa Yabu uchomozi ba sendini
Ni faka kwa.
Sisifana kulento luwa wayekwenze kuyi. Wayekwenze yona because i-relationship zakho azisebenza.
And asispani tu inaleyo ukubona buza yona.
Nguwe emotional.
Yamusho into njalo yanambi kaphela lowi. Hence must the mentality le yangaske nisuse ibe pha.
The only way uzoyisisa ngayo is if okay uphume emjobeni healing inhliziyo yakho mama nomculo begrand uya kumjolo uyakhalela
Ndinga-approach nithi
ukuhile uhlale phansi yabo because honestly ukujela nomuntu onenhliziyo eyophuliweyo it's not nice
but not like inhliziyo yami no
yophukile inhliziyo yakho
inhliziyo yami great
inhliziyo yakho yophulwa ngamntana kakabi right because emotion
not by go right except I feel the little the grand so qedisa ngapoints ngekhoyo
uthi you feel
the grand
so imaqajela ngokawuziphindela ngathi
kaloku ayisuki la mindset ihleli khona not by ngayi yabona yona mina ngihilile the grand fokufile bavayile bonke but ndina laba okay
yabona awukahili if usendayo awukahili
utsho nawe brand kahili
awukahili once because once uyicinge into yoba uzaphinda ndizeka kuhlungu isikhona la ndawo ibuhlungu because you know how it feels awukahili
so
unstable
ngokuvaya ne-flow
mna kaloku ndahila la
ndithi ngale yathi sithetha like ngoku as in general uweza kuzivaya grand uvaya ne-flow ngokusekho ukule ndawo le ufuna ndibe kuyo ngoku because uyandiva ndithi mos mna ndi-grand ne but ke ngoku i-mentality yami isacingiwe yezipha wena awucingi nix vele nje uvaya ne-flow udibana nenye igayo ube grand umthande kuvaye
no okay mandithi andiqhathi for 2 years ne bendingekho kwinto eserious like bendisenza nje
these jobs
no strings like bendingafuni ikwazi bendidibanisa nomjolo because bendibuhlungu yabo
because of
yeah so bendisenza nje but this ingekho like
yaphana we bakwenziwa nje ngathi ube wena as a guy ukhethile so thina ungabile ways kanje amen unalaba nje bakhe zona ezawuthi izibezi kwalutha ikake kudala ihleli phansi jo im-analyze walutha imfunda imjonga iwork yakhe imstoka yonke way yamjonga yafumana ichance la out bra alutha uyadlala ngayo
that's why mamela
yeah alutha no
umuntu ebefuna uba busy nami yabo kula 2 years ndingenzi nix naye namqaba no andifuni into serious
bonke kwaxelene
it was only 2 you know but besingenzi into different
extreme
yes engaphaya but nabaqeba andifuni into serious it's just
so bufuna uhila ngabo
yeah and that he left him. I'm in a happy relationship.
This is what I need to know. I little happy. Relationship, 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 so I'm conversation is mine. Is the end of guys obey overthink just because of your convo?
No, I can't.
I don't know the power. I'm going to
the past most.
Because Namundo can come as Babin
Asika
because if benzo yazi ba okay awuzocinga so
no after okay, but it's young matured yabo akayo
ke
emotional intelligence nayo
so anithanda kuba so uthi umuntu ngaphuma njani le trip kuyo ngoba nisuse
away from makazana for now
for till nini because ngokujonga umzekelo uFebruary nyanga yosamba ndiyenze till nini lonto
I know busy pressure because
until the grand nje
but once benala mentality I can't be grand
ja
I can't ba well zokuhila and
a lot of healed Johnny grand
but you still I don't think that mentality is a suck unless you find a girl that you feel like
not I find a girl that I feel like unless I find a girl and that's you bandiphi ngoku efuna undifune understand naye ngoku
ifumana la mentality nje
yabona if benifumene imete grand and yaziyo ba okay ndinje ngoku nayo yayifuna le ibamba ivayi ebezoba stable namkhazi ivayi grand wethu baka ndofumana naye ngumuntu ofuna ibe kwandim upush after yena no bra
akhona manje amanjani
yabona abanjani
like bafuna uguy
benguye opestar yoni
and I'm teacher kanjalo actually
hayi alutho iphuma
but ndiyakwazi nami give my all but leyo nami they understand leyo because you want to
exactly but asithethe lo yezi products because now gqobotsho mosityani imatured so sisifihla andala weba sesityani
but mina ndifuna ityani ngizibonise bajonge ndiyamfila lo ibe ngumntana ibe ityani ufune uba baby you know
exactly yes. But akazivezwa kuwe lo weba ufuna uba baby.
That's why I'm gonna convince him like that. Tell naye
oh exactly yeah. If nami ngafumana uye kanje ingasuka phale mentality nondifumana abantu abafuna yiwabo plus kwalo qombisa ngoku yiwato ngisebenzile ba but ke ndiyakuva andikho so grand wena usolita khona phinde very funa ikhupha ngale
Tupin content enzanayo ngokuyo
yando
ba in love and stuff
in love
kakhulu nje I'm very happy
khona nje futhi ngifuna ukumelisa yona pheqa u1000 dlala ngayo mntakwethu pha ne uzodlala ngayo mipro man seyijonga le video can save la video yaluta i-video nifuna yazi uba nonke nicinga kanje bantu ukumamelisa grand 1000 dlala grand pha can save le video ta but that at least nayo but ya aluta ndekuva sifuna ba baby nathi juice noma siyibekanga lo esayibeka straight sucaba ndihamba izuzu caba ndimsolo konzobe ndiphezulu kwakho
ukwazi ba
mo special abala phekaza bedazi umuntu ndisukaphi bendikwimeko enjani kule kaka relationship bendikuyo yaphela njani andisafuna ibondi overall a blue itsho la jet le penwell kakuyibona post ifani ibona ke ngona mntana lotho ndizayitsiba because mntwana ndisekele la video enyimede nje pa speed effects engiyazaziyo okay nansi uzodlala phamba kuthi njengendlela yethu ithembile mr wise oh shit I video yakho izinto society
I don't know how to describe this, but this is what I value. And I can't put it in English, unfortunately. I'm going to have to say it in vernac in order for me to be able to deliver this message to you. Angifuni indoda engakwazi ukuhlinza inkomo mina. You can't slaughter a goat. You can't slaughter a cow. Fika emngcwabeni uswenkile. Yabazi lapho bafika emngcwabeni umkhanyana usefika emngcwabeni naye usefaka izaza ufaka i3-piece suit uyinto nje yena engathinte I don't like that's not what I value. I'm not saying don't but I'm saying what I value in a man. It's for me it's how you show up as a man. Angifuni indoda who doesn't know how to put themselves last in certain situations. You don't have to show up as your entire being. We know that you are the medical doctor with 50,000 degrees. You drive this big car, you live in a fancy house. Sesikhaya ke manje. Kushoniwe. Iphi overall blue? Yes. That's how you show up for your spouse in situations like that, because the opposite is also expected of a woman. Make sure as a wife, I'm expected to be there on Friday. I'm chopping. My corporate job doesn't matter right now. The nails don't matter right now. This is the situation that we're dealing with. This is how I'm showing up for my man. So I don't like a man who has a high level of self-preservation, because that indicates to me that you're selfish. You don't know how to read the room. I like a man who is generous. Doesn't have to.
Honestly,
I
come to be honest, like Linda, yoba yes, it's slow nah, because benfina namakhala nabantu abamhlophe mas. And amakhala nabantu abamhlophe don't like ayingabantu aba
Nkomus.
Yeah.
Gushas.
So that for me
ayongeni kuyo
andimandi
but yeah kuyosilotharisha man it's not like as a whole le message ayigqithisayo because I think ukuthi
leyo uba
funeka uzwe thini kasi
know your role.
uyazi role yakho funeka udlalile phi
yeah that is
partner yakho
yeah fanele uyazi obviously but leyo uba
awungeni ndawo wena
bakhona bayifilayo but na
wena kuba so yena noba ngafika eziswengele ku but live
but fanele noko abe decent yabo aqonde ba okay basi siyazila naye yabo azame at least but I really don't mind but
mind noma ngavela njani yena so utaka mind nxa ngibone most ye mummies sherile le way lezi zayivuma yona bafuna ukubenja
abasebenzayo babazoba nabantu abamnyama yabo and now I'm not
okay
yes
ngiyakubona ukuthi sila kwelephi side
because now my life is very diverse
like Jan qala so uthi after Jan awuziboni phinde vele ubuyela kuJan ufuna uba
maybe life and life it all depends on life
nakuva
yeah so yabo at least yabo i-colored when you are dating i-colored ne uzofundiswa ngesikolweni
yonke
yeah then now I'm dating i-colored ngizoya kokwabo ndiyokwenza izo zinto kokwabo and ama-colored abazenzi
ezo traditional
abazenzi izo zinto yeah so ngoku uzoza ekhaya i-colored uzolantuze na
inkomo kayanu yanko
exactly
yena uzothi sangena shemigate ba mni worry me bro
yabona
so when
but if them nyama then obviously uzoyazi bafana kenze ntoni ayikijani
akho need to
yeah kyanyazi azijonga iphana manye amadoda sibhizi
buras overall blue so yeah nginikezela kuke ngalutho ngaphandle kwelove man yiphi nje conversation ufuna siphephise kwayo because naye cheating at least clarifyile nawe warenga nayo gram uba ni cheater because of nani ngase ninringela ama comments ne feedback nibuyele naye bani nithini banivumelani naye nicho nami nivumelani nami nicho
ningangitrend this please
nah there's no way yeah nginikezela ku
any conversation
check takwethu nikezela kuwe lolo wena ufuna uba in love cha ufuna ustika nje kule piece le okubuye love umuntu wakho
no
but yeah
naye
engenye mail yakho ka top 2 singabuyela lapha wena ubhanqa abantwana soloku secaweni kodwa yazazi yapasa top 2 joy house patibili
ayibhani good yafuza abantu
enda ufuna la webentshile kuye before iphele like leya screenshot ifake bala wele ya top 2 joke iskela sonke yabo wena umeka yakhala ngoko advice abanye abantwana funa because khona grade 12 akunyaka and I think nakusenza grade 12 ne so advice nabanye ba grade 12 benze njani because I think job bekubona qho estratweni but naku kwazile uphuma no top 2 kwisigela sakho so la grade 12 ufikayo ngokuqalayo athini yena ukuze sibone naye club le kukuwe
okay I'm going to start with the basics avoid umjalo at all costs
avoid it
in grade 12 avoid umjalo because in grade 12 umgowa ufuneki you just need to focus ezincwadini in the future na dinedwe lento bandi sharp like mentality otherwise
scared
yeah but like get pase kahle kakhulu if avoidile umjalo
so unuthatha from experience
yeah like ngiyaba advisor
alright
from my experience
avoid umjalo
yeah and bakhona abantwana ne abafunda like 2 weeks before time 2 weeks before the test 2 weeks before and I think that's good but sufunda like ndifuna ingene ngoku funda like just revise then ufunde like 4 days before the test because then there's a lot of them 2 days 4 days because it's still fresh up in England, you know? And yeah and keep calm just try some it's about under pressure and so it's funny don't compare yourself because yeah don't compare yourself not comparison and set a goal for yourself set that's very important about usifakile goal you know Nangaqalanga uba number 2. Ndandiphaa number 4, 5. And like the years must the potential and all that stuff. So reach your fullest potential then be good to go. But it's funny that's very important. Comparison is the thief of joy. So if your husband now got that good zama, but it's funny because you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall off the bus, bruh. You know, so it's funny, just do your thing. Then you'll be
just do your thing. Go to the camp, Joe, the boy.
Yeah!
30 floors up, Joe, Spanil, man, the boy.
Yeah,
Or relaxile patia, man, do your thing, press. Now in the phone, Utini Kubu. As a president, you like Nyaka way to Utini Praus, no creator for Nyaka, Snabafuna, Prof Nabani, Basekoy.
And I feel like writing it, right? Because abandoned money is a conversion to grade 12. Baba demotivated because of grade 12.
Yeah, stress. And then go on and up on another teacher, I was like, for the pressure of paying Lunyaka. Yes, I was paying Lunyaka, but relax. Relax, can you can pay fully. Look at
now in the Palawi with discipline. Once be discipline, when self love, baligil. Then once you stand the king goes banana courage over man, the funa like Ufuman and Jenny dignity. So you banana courage over your phone, I won't get on the leg. So it's not about this comparison of banana, but in the balig lay ima high so that as well is hands. Because once you aim like manditi, for example, aim 100%, so that if we are also well apart 80%, 70%. Once you aim like 50%, the sugar will have 20%. So it's la way advice. I'm always aim high.
Need discipline.
Yeah, need discipline.
Lulu, Busaj? I think we must find somebody no bani, right?
Yeah.
I'm just grade 12, but
yeah. You guys are gonna do good.
Good.
Yeah.
So to wrap it up, uthetile ke walutho ngezomjolo. Sithethile ngomjolo ne cheating yonke way, but nangonza phina sayitsho lewe. Perspective yakhe. Asitsho base right so you know. Wonke umuntu uzoba lapho nizombona uringe ngendlela othela ngendlela afila ngayo kanye yagqithe ngayo kanye past experiences zakhe not ba u right na.
Wonke umuntu
une opinion yakhe nendlela acinga ngayo. So sensenzela nale convo. Yabo umuntu uzofika ibukele grand. Yabo then ku grade 12. Ku grade 12. I think sebechaphazela kuyo yonke. Befuna to grade 12 qha man kuyo wonke umuntu ofundayo. Wonke from grade Kalaphi ukuyinyela nekanyesi.
Ubes grade 11 yona grade
9, uqala ku 9.
Lebalekile.
Till 12.
Must know the subject choices.
Ikudlala ke sibhanga mphana. Yabo. So yeah.
Grade 9 one kuzalba funanda because nothing talking ngoni pass it but and then the one funda that.
Top 2. Ja, but sayideka phala we. Otherwise alutho utakhonde phone vuyithethe. Ngakuthi grade 12 kanye grade 9 kanye grade bani sibana manje esibabe sechile boyithuba suya ngebani bawuzothina noma ngabona zokuchomi zakho yenzeka la way throughout the year thobana nobani bayapasa but hey yachinja izinto kuphela unyaka so ifuna usixelele unga discourage kwa ngoba kwenzekile usaqala usathi sibana ikwenye indlela so yeah man Tshekano no bejalo the comfort zone. Please do like, subscribe, share, hit the bell button so that every time I upload a new episode, off my notification. Aluta, bye bye.